Now let's talk about excretion. We've dealt with how cells get their food. We've dealt with how they release energy from the food. Now we're going to deal with how they can pass out waste products, because waste is part of life. We all generate waste. How does the cell pass out its waste? That is excretion. So I've given you the definition of excretion in a brief. One of the ways the cell passes out its waste is through diffusion. The bodies, because of their large surface area to volume ratio, they can actually pass out some of their gaseous and liquid waste through their body surface into the environment. That's waste like carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide and water vapor are easily passed into the environment from their body surface. And secondly, we'll talk about contractile vacuole. Contractile vacuole is a form of space in which these waste materials are stored before they can be passed out of the cell. When we're talking about nutrition, we spoke about phagocytosis, where the food vacuole is being created. Now, this contractile vacuole is a way the cell gathers its waste, more like a septic tank for the cell, and exports it out into the environment, and that is that for contractile vacuole. Now, in higher organisms, there's a way the cells transport their waste out of the cells and into the transport system, like the bloodstream. They have a way of diffusing it out of themselves and passing it into the transport system, where it can be effectively dealt with like as waste. Now we move to waste products of metabolism. There are three major waste products of metabolism: carbon dioxide, urea, and water vapor. And then sometimes cells releases mineral salts into the environment. Mineral salt like sodium, like chlorine, and so on and so forth, just to make sure that their environment is not toxic for their survival. And that is that about cellular excretion.